Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very healthy and delicious recipe, that is restaurant style homemade garlic chicken with pepper in sweet and sour chili sauce. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and let me know your opinion from the comment section. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Here I'm taking 1 cup of chicken breast. It is completely boneless. I just cut in a julienne pieces. After that I'm going to add 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which I'm using here as a binder. After that I'm going to mix all the ingredients together properly. Then I will keep it marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, now I'm going to frying this chicken. Here I'm already take 200 ml of sunflower oil. I just make the pan hot. Now I'm going to add 1 by 1 chicken in the hot oil. Just keep in mind the temperature within in lower heat of temperature, otherwise the chicken will be burned or will be its color. I'm going to make the chicken fry in a golden brown in color. I have to fry this chicken for 5 to 6 minutes in total in low heat of temperature. I'm putting all the chicken in hot oil. So after 5 minutes, this is the look of my chicken. It's almost done. I did cook this chicken in whole process in lower heat of temperature. It's exactly the golden brown in color which I was expecting. Now I am going to taking out all the chickens. Here I am using the same pan in the hot oil. I am putting 1 cup of onion. It's a red onion. I just cut down in a square of pieces. Then I'm going to start the frying this onion in lower to medium heat of temperature. After that I'm going to add 2 different colors of pepper, red pepper and green pepper. In total 2 cups of peppers. Then I'm also going to mix all these ingredients together and fry in this temperature. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste altogether. After that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to add some green chili and onion slice. Here I take 1 tablespoon of onion slice and 3 to 4 chopped green chilies. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together properly and make the temperature little bit of lower. In the whole cooking process, I'm not going to use any extra water, because from the vegetable they are like a water will be coming out, and with this water the vegetable will be cooked. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sweet and sour chili sauce. That will give an extra sweet and sour taste of this gravy. Then I'm going to add the fried chicken which I did fried previously within this vegetable. Then mix together properly in lower heat of temperature. Now I'm going to add the corn flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour which I just melted with 2 tablespoons of water and mix properly. Then I'm going to add within this vegetable curry just to make a little bit of slight gravy consistency. After that, I'm going to add half lime, fresh lime. I'm just squeezing it on top of this vegetable. Then mix properly. It will give a little bit of sour flavor. So this is the consistency of my chicken with pepper garlic curry. So it's almost done. I already cook it for near about another 5 minutes. I didn't use any water in whole cooking process. Now I'm going to taking out from the pan. This is completely like gravy in consistency. There is no extra water. So by just only few ingredients we can make this recipe at home, and I hope that after making this recipe no one will be disappointed. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like of this video and let me know your opinion through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye and take care of yourself.